dito sa Sakya Academy ng Davao City. Tara, samahan niyo ako at mag-attend tayo ng kanilang graduation dito sa Sakya Academy ng Davao City. Nag-start pala ang kanilang graduation ng alauna. So, kaninang umaga, ibang strands yung kaninang umaga. Ngayon naman, 3 strands ang panghapon. Kasi hindi sila magkasya kapag pinagsabay ang lahat ng strands. Dumating po kami dito, napakainit na kanilang gym. Kasi electric fan lang yung kanilang dito, walang aircon. So, tapos na kaming nagrampa. Time na naman ang mga teacher ngayon, mga langga. Kaya rumampa din ang kanilang mga teacher. Ayan, meron po silang theme song yata yan ng Sakya Academy. Kinanta nila. At ito na naman yung kanilang principal, I think, director nila. Hindi natin maintindihan. Pero merong translation. Yan, si Lausher. Nag-translate niya po yung sinabi ng kanilang founder, principal. Kalimutan ko na guys. Basta ito yung Youth Department, mga naman.
By the virtue of the authority vested in me with the school director and the board of trustees of Philippine Academy of Sakya Davao Incorporated, and having been certified that you have complied with all the requirements and regulations for this graduation, I hereby declare you graduates of the senior high school education and do hereby award you these diplomas. May I request now the parents and guardians to stand. You may now move the tassel to the right side of the cap. Thank you and congratulations,
Yes, congratulations.
Congratulations once again.
Congratulations, Pambukikoy.
Throughout the entire academic year, we have all attested how Sakya has been blessed with brilliant and talented students with a heart of gold.
Ito naman ang kanilang graduation song by Taylor Swift. Hindi din na masyadong kabisado guys. Kaya napakahina. Pero nung chorus, biglang lumakas. Pakinggan po natin. Ayan, tapos na po ang program at picture taking na by section. Congratulations sa lahat po ng graduate ngayong araw. At meron pa palang mga picture-picture yung kagaya ng sinauna. At marami ding bumibili kahit meron tayong mga cellphone. Pero na benta pa rin yung ibang mga picture. Tiningnan ko, wala naman kaming picture dyan, kaya hindi na ako nagtagal. That's all. Salamat po sa pagsama niyo sa amin. And congratulations sa lahat po ng nag-graduate sa araw na ito. Ayan, hanggang sa muli.